If you want to understand what people are saying about your brand, products, competitors, or industry across the online world, Individual Plan is the perfect place to start with Mandala Analytics. You'll get everything included in the starter plan, including AI Studio to work seamlessly with AI Assistant to search, summarize, and analyze information, workflow automation to automate repetitive tasks, and automated reports to generate and deliver reports on a scheduled basis. What makes Individual Plan different is the addition of social listening, allowing you to monitor and analyze online conversations more deeply than ever before. Track your brand, competitors, campaigns, or any keywords that matter to you. Mandala AI Analytics continuously collects mentions from social media, websites, and online forums, bringing everything together in one place so you never miss what matters most. To help you get started, Individual Plan includes up to 100,000 mentions per month, monitoring for up to 5 channels, support for 60 search keywords, including 10 premium keywords and 50 regular keywords, with access to up to 1 year of historical data. As your data grows, Mandala AI Analytics transforms it into easy-to-understand dashboards, giving you instant visibility into mention volume, audience engagement, consumer sentiment, trending topics, and emerging trends, all within minutes. View an overview of online conversations so you can quickly understand what's happening at a glance. Discover the keywords, hashtags, and topics people are talking about the most. Analyze which content, channels, or campaigns generate the highest engagement. Compare performance across different channels and identify which ones have the greatest influence on the conversation. See when people are talking about your topic the most and when engagement is at its highest, helping you choose the best time to communicate or launch your campaigns more effectively. When you need deeper insights, AI helps you summarize findings, analyze key topics, discover valuable insights, and answer questions based on the data you're tracking, helping you understand the situation faster and make decisions with greater confidence. You can also create reports, export your results, and share insights with your team, making it easier to turn insights into meaningful actions. Everything you've seen is included with Individual Plan. And as your business grows, whether you need more mentions, more channels, more keywords, or additional users, you can upgrade to a higher plan at any time, with larger usage quotas to support your business as it continues to grow.